Go.
Not ready yet.
Go.
You didn't get to 2 or 1. Hey, it's Leslie from Mad Studios, 307.5 11th Street in beautiful downtown Augusta, Georgia. Augusta's only downtown. Forget that. That's just wrong. I can't get it. Hey, it's Leslie from Mad Studios, 307.5 11th Street in beautiful downtown Augusta, Georgia. Downtown Augusta's only all-ages, non-smoking, non-drinking listening room where we always respect the artist. Thursdays, we offer the coolest open mic in town, anything from hip-hop to poetry to you name it, you can do it practically on this stage. Don't come naked. Weekends offer the best in hand-picked local, regional, and national touring artists. Come check us out. Come see what all the talk is about. Check us out online too for all upcoming shows. It's www.madstudiosaugusta.com. Just remember, respect the artist. Thanks. I can't do any more, Sonny. I can't do it again. I can't.